This gift has been sent by my sister. It's my first iPad. So I'm really touched. I hope you can also appreciate her. So hi guys, it's me Dava this side. So as you all can see, this is a non-food vlog. The table is empty. So today I'm going to do a special vlog. It's going to be one of its kind, and I've not done anything like that till now. As you all know, I was used to do food vlogs, food review vlogs, cooking vlogs, but it's my first vlog in which I'm going to do a technological review, in which I'm going to do an unboxing video. And you must have read the title above. So it's the unboxing video of my new iPad Air 4. So it's my first iPad, to be honest. And this iPad has been gifted to me by my sister, and this is a real special feeling for me. And what else to say? I am really felt about it. So this is a real new thing for me, and let's try it and let's see how the unboxing goes. I'm not a technical guy. I'm not the technical guruji in this trend. So I will try my best, and I will try to give you the honest unboxing thing and what I know about this iPad and what I will recommend to you. So let's begin this video and let's see how it goes. So make sure to like, comment and subscribe and support this cause. Okay guys, so let's do the unboxing video of the iPad Air 4. So let's see what is coming in the box. So as you can see, this is the box which I have got from the Apple. So this is the iPad Air 4 inside. But with this I have also ordered one more thing. So that's the case for the iPad Air 4. So I have ordered this case from the DAVAO Shopee. So you can also get the case from Apple Store if you want. This gift has been sent by my sister. So I'm really touched. I hope you can also appreciate her efforts. So let's see what is inside this. And I know this is an iPad Air 4. It's an old iPad for all of you, but it is still a gift. So let's do the unboxing video and let's see what came in the iPad Air 4 box. So the iPad Air 4 has been set up. So now after the setup, the iPad Air 4 looks like this. So I've already put the iPad in the case, and this is a magnetic case. So it's an automatic open and close case. So in this iPad, as most of you know, that there is no middle button. So it's the start button which works as the touch. So in this iPad, as you can see, I've already added my fingerprint as a touch ID. So in this iPad, since most of you know that it's an A14 chip, so it's a very high processor, and you know much more about that, more than me. So let's see that this iPad has a stereo type sound, and as you all know that this iPad has 4 speakers, 2 on the top and 2 on the bottom. And this iPad has C-type charging. So the C-type charging is the new type of charging which is coming in the iPad and the Apple range. So this is a C to C-type charging, and I bought a cable of that with the iPad. And in this iPad, let's see how the audio listens like. Since I have heard in a lot of blogs about this audio quality. So let's see how the audio sounds. So I'll be playing a video of mine so we can see how the audio
Okay guys, so today we are at Little Nam DAVAO, and today we are at the my own branch. And
so guys, as you can see in the picture quality, the picture quality of the iPad is so clear, it's crystal clear to be exact. And this is a recorded video of mine on the YouTube. So if you click pictures or you shoot video with this iPad, it's going to be much more clear. And before I forget to tell you, make sure to follow me on my Instagram. So this is my Instagram ID. Make sure to follow me here. Make sure to DM me here and let me know if you want me to post the review of this iPad after 1 week. And let me know if you want me to post the review and the unboxing video on the Instagram also. Make sure to subscribe on my YouTube channel and make sure to follow me on Instagram. Thank you.